Introducing the Saramonic DK6 series headset microphones. The DK6 is an ultra-lightweight headset microphone with a comfortable and secure fit. What is a calorie? It's a unit of measurement of energy. So, our body needs calories to function, and depending on your height, your weight, and your energy level, that will dictate how many calories you need per day. Designed for those on the move, its adjustable boom arm allows for perfect placement for people of all sizes, and its omnidirectional pickup pattern provides a natural-sounding vocal, while delivering detailed sound quality and increased vocal intelligibility. And make sure that you're breathing through this exercise here. Stretching is extremely important after we work out for recovery, and you just really want to make sure that you're taking care of your body. They are also sweat, makeup, and dust-proof, designed for the most demanding presenters. It's simply ideal for any active roles such as stage performances, presentations, fitness, and so much more. Plus, its low profile is nearly invisible, letting your audience focus on the message, not the mic. The DK6 is available with 6 different connector options for compatibility with every major industry standard wireless transmitter, recorders, and more. Fantastic job today, guys. Make sure you tune in on Thursday at noon. We have a lunch workout prepared for you, and we hope to see you there. Everything you need is included: 2 foam windscreens and a rugged protective storage case, built with high-quality components, cabling, and gold-plated connectors. The DK6 series headsets are professional, slimline microphones that deliver detailed sound quality with a comfortable and secure fit, all for a remarkable price. This whole video was recorded using the DK6 headset. The Saramonic DK6 Professional Headset Microphone Series.